Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised in my last video, I am going to be showing you an advanced video on stacking and crumb coating a cake. Now let's get right into this video. Now I made sure all my layers were perfectly flat before I stacked them on each other. So I inserted those into this cake. What I used to make it flat is using a leveler. I use this leveler to check whether the layers are flat, but this wasn't flat, so I trimmed it. Now I inserted the fourth layers, but before I inserted the fourth layer, I added buttercream to the center of the cake, and I am inserting the dough into the cake. This dough prevents the cake from moving and moving during delivery or when you are decorating the cake. It just makes it stay put. But I usually insert dollars into each layers. Like, I don't just stack all the cakes and insert them. So now I am going to add buttercream to the top of this cake and spread it down around the cake. I use American buttercream to decorate. I also use other buttercreams, but the country I'm in, American buttercream just works better with the temperature, but I do use other if the client wants that specific. If the client is very specific about the buttercream that they want, but I work more with American buttercream. So I'm just going to spread the buttercream around the sides of the cake. As you are watching this video, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram at Karim's Craft, and also comment what you think about this video. I really appreciate it and would love to interact with you. I like to start from the bottom to the top, while some bakers like to start from the top to the bottom. So anyone that works for you, you should just do what works for you. So now I am spreading out the buttercream at the top of the cake. I'm using my palette knife to do that. If you are a new follower or a new subscriber, hey, welcome, and I am really happy to have your subscribe and your like, and also your follow. Now I am spreading it around the cake, spreading it evenly, and I am going to go around with my scraper to get the buttercream even and round the cake. Now I'm going around with my scraper. It's advisable you crumb coat your cake a day before you decorate it, or hours before you decorate it, or don't just crumb coat and start decorating immediately. I don't know, but I just see difference when I give it time, or when you place it in the fridge for some hours before you crumb coat, and when you just go straight into the crumb coating. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice